Want to sound natural in English? Practice these everyday phrases with me. Listen and repeat. Let's begin. Instead of saying, I am late, say, I'm running a bit late.
I'm running a bit late.
Instead of saying, please speak more slowly, say, could you slow down a little?
Could you slow down a little?
Instead of saying, I do not know the answer yet, say, I'm still figuring it out.
I'm still figuring it out.
Instead of saying, I understand your point, say, I see what you mean.
I see what you mean.
Instead of saying, I have the same opinion, say, I'm with you on that.
I'm with you on that.
Instead of saying, I do not agree, say, I see it differently.
I see it differently.
Instead of saying, please help me, say, could you give me a hand?
Could you give me a hand?
Instead of saying, I will start now, say, I'll get started.
I'll get started.
Instead of saying, I finished it, say, it's all done.
It's all done.
Instead of saying, I am almost ready, say, I'll be ready in a minute.
I'll be ready in a minute.
Instead of saying, I am not available right now, say, I'm tied up at the moment.
I'm tied up at the moment.
Instead of saying, this is easy, say, this is pretty straightforward.
This is pretty straightforward.
Instead of saying, this is difficult, say, this is a tough one.
This is a tough one.
Instead of saying, that is expensive, say, that's a bit pricey.
That's a bit pricey.
Instead of saying, that is cheap, say, that's a bargain.
That's a bargain.
Instead of saying, I like this very much, say, I'm really into this.
I'm really into this.
Instead of saying, I do not like this much, say, I'm not a fan of this.
I'm not a fan of this.
Instead of saying, I have had too much of this, say, I've had enough of this.
I've had enough of this.
Instead of saying, I am becoming angry, say, I'm starting to get annoyed.
I'm starting to get annoyed.
Instead of saying, please do not worry, say, don't stress.
Don't stress.
Instead of saying, I cannot decide, say, I'm torn.
I'm torn.
Instead of saying, that is not clear, say, that's a bit unclear.
That's a bit unclear.
Instead of saying, please explain it again, say, can you walk me through it again?
Can you walk me through it again?
Instead of saying, I will join you, say, I'll come along.
I'll come along.
Instead of saying, I am going to visit quickly, say, I'm going to stop by.
I'm going to stop by.
Instead of saying, I met him by chance, say, I bumped into him.
I bumped into him.
Instead of saying, I found it by chance, say, I came across it.
I came across it.
Instead of saying, I have many things this week, say, this week is packed.
This week is packed.
Instead of saying, I am not feeling well, say, I feel a bit off.
I feel a bit off.
Instead of saying, I am very surprised, say, I'm blown away.
I'm blown away.
Great job! These phrases are short, simple, and natural, but they can make a big difference in real conversations. Practice them again, and try using a few today when you speak. See you in the next lesson.